Hey, how's it going? It's Keith Townsend from the CTOadvisor.com with today's CTO Dose. We're going to talk NetApp Data Fabric. NetApp is presenting at Cloud Field Day 13, first week of April, and they presented this concept of data fabric over the past couple of years to help differentiate themselves from traditional storage companies. When you think of NetApp, you think storage, the vendors of ONTAP, and now their acquisition of SolidFire and their HCI solution, which I wrote the piece over on the CTOadvisor.com about their attempt to, break into the HCI market and what that's about. But more importantly, this concept of data fabric. At NetApp Insight, NetApp pounded very hard, whether it's on interviews that they did on the Cube or doing the keynote presentations, they pounded hard this concept of a data fabric and the idea that data has value. Now, this is a tough transition for enterprise storage companies to make, from the concept of someone that stores bits to someone that extracts value out of data. Most of my DBA and data analytics friends will look at NetApp and say, you know what, NetApp really isn't a data company because they're not enabling the higher abstraction and extracting value out of the data. But if you look at it from the attribute of enabling data, not just enabling the zeros and ones to get from one site to another, but enabling data to be extracted away from the physical underlay. So whether that data exists in AWS, on ONTAP, or in Azure NFS, or inside of your private data center, or even in some type of fog computing layer in which you're using NetApp services to put data close to the cloud and able to access that data at low latencies from both your private data center and large data center, public cloud data center. NetApp enables data analytics, new applications that wouldn't have been able to be created before. I'm looking forward to the Cloud Field Day presentation where they get the cloud experts really hitting on the engineers and the product teams to really understand and peel back this concept of data fabric, how that empowers and enables digital transformation while making enterprise IT easier to consume and provide. Stay tuned. We'll be covering more NetApp as part of our Cloud Field Day 3 coverage. You can visit me on the web, thectodose.com. You can also find out more about Tech Field Day and Cloud Field Day at techfieldday.com. Talk to you next, CTO Dose.